Hey everyone, welcome back to Coohom and Chill with Ashleigh. I'm Ashleigh, and today I'm going to show you how to import a floor plan, whether it be a PNG, even a hand-drawn sketch, or an AutoCAD file, and I'll guide you on the step-by-step process and how you can quickly get started. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to properly scale your floor plan, set up a wall thickness, the height of your walls, and choose the right wall drawing method, that's a mouthful, for you. So let's jump in, but before you do, make sure to hit subscribe. Okay, so we are going to jump right in with a new project. I'm going to click on the upload floor plan. And then I am going to start with a PNG and show you all how to upload that and then trace it. We're going to hit open. Give it a second to upload the drawing. Now I'm going to hit manual trace, but I still want to make sure that this is scaled appropriately. So I'm going to use this as a reference here because I know what the number is. Also, keep in mind that this is in millimeters right here. I have not been able to change that. I will investigate that more, but I know that this is 762 millimeters, this 2.6 measurement right here. I'm going to click confirm. We are going to give it just a minute to upload. And while we're waiting, you can also upload CAD plans and also a PNG will draw it for you. But I really think you should start with the basics and learn how to draw everything yourself. Gonna give it just another minute. And I'm going to click over to my 2D. This is where it's going to show your plan, and this is now to scale. Now, you can adjust as needed, but I like to have this on full brightness. The material, I have it set on manual. I can see everything. And 3D is where I'm going to see it after I start drawing my walls. So we're going to stay in 2D with floor. Now I am going to go over to my floor plan. And this is where we're going to have our wall options, our structures, and our doors. Today we're just going to focus on our walls. So we're just going to click on a straight wall. Before I start drawing, I'm going to go over to my wall thickness. I'd actually like to have it at 5 inches thick. I know I had this last week. We're going to change our precision to 1/8. Just click off of that. Now that I have my walls ready to go, I have it at 4 3/4. And I'm just going to click and start drawing. Now I have my snaps on right now so that it's going to draw on a straight line, which is just what I need. And I can enter the length if I'd like, but I just keep track along here. I'm going to click down. I'm going to keep going and just tracing around my room. Add a wall here. Now we can adjust all of these once I've gotten them in. I usually just kind of move through this quickly and then I get down to business. Ta-da! Hit my escape tool, go back. Oops. We are going to right click just so we can click off doing the walls there. Now it's drawing from the inner line, so the center line of the wall. If I don't like that option, I can change it to internal, external. Typically, I will draw on center and then sometimes I switch it over to internal when I really want to get everything matched up appropriately. So now that we have everything in there, I'm just going to click off of my walls. I'm going to right click just to get that away. And now I can start just dragging, which is great. So if anything looks like it's a little bit off or I want to adjust it, I can just drag it. So this wall actually needs to come out a little bit. I'm just going to pull it over. It's going to adjust the flooring for me. So this is just the start to our walls. Now I'm going to click off, and I also want to make sure that I have the correct ceiling height. Now, when I click into the room, you're going to see a lot happening over here as well. I can name it. It's currently unnamed. You're going to want to name that. Now, my basic info, I have the room height. I actually just want this to be 9 feet. I will type that in. It's not cooperating with me at the moment. So I will just use my tool here and I will make that 9 feet, 1/4 inches totally fine by me. I can handle that. So now when I go over into my 3D, I have walls. Yay, so exciting. So this is just the first step to creating a floor plan. I highly recommend that you get in there and trace first or just make up a floor plan before you start just importing CAD or a PNG that draws it for you, because you really want to get comfortable with that. Okay, so now that we've imported the floor plan and we've drawn your walls, our next step is adding doors, windows, and furniture. We're going to talk about this next week, so make sure you subscribe for next week, and where I will show you to place custom windows and doors. And if you're ready to start using Coohom, click the link below, make sure that you sign up and start following along, and I can't wait to see you here.